Yeah, so this is a vintage Briton door closer. It's got a manufacturer date on the back. Oh, October 72. It's not that old compared to some of them. I'm not sure when these stopped being made, but I'm not really sure how to adjust it at all. I've tried a few things, but I can't seem to get any leeway with it. As you can see, it does have a latch in action, but as I said, I'm not really sure how to adjust it. It's got all these weird nut things. I can't seem to undo this nut here. I've tried oiling it and putting a wrench. I don't want to put too much force in it in case I end up doing something that I don't really want to do. But these do turn, but I don't really want to open it up in case it all comes apart. Also, there's an adjustment valve here which doesn't seem to do much. It turns in and out slightly. It goes in about that much, but it doesn't seem to have much effect on the speed. It does slow it down a bit. I can't seem to speed it up any more than what it was at the beginning. It does also go that way, but I can't work out. I don't even know if they can be handed in either direction. It looks like it should be able to be. It doesn't state anything otherwise, but I can't work out how to adjust it. Yeah. It does go quite far round. The Briton B. I think that means it's a size 2, but they used to use letters. I'm not sure what many different sizes there were. It's not actually brass, it's actually like made of cast iron, but it's sort of got like a gold effect paint on it. It's quite worn actually, but they used to come in silver, I believe, as well. But I'm sure someone will know how to adjust these things, because I certainly don't. But I assume that should come undone, that nut, but it's probably been on there since it was first made, so it's not going to be easy to get off. The valve. Quite a nice closer actually. I do have this other one, old vintage one that I got a few months ago, which is actually quite different really. I've already posted this on YouTube, but this one's quite easy to adjust. It's just got a screw there, and that adjusts the speed. But and again, that nut comes off easily. But that's like more of a designed to be on the push side of the door, the parallel arm mount. I'm not sure if this one can be like mounted like that. I've seen some that are, but I don't know if they're a different model or not. They probably are. But you can get a bracket that allows it to be mounted on the push side, but obviously I haven't got that with this. But yeah.